How to apply for Target credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can apply for Target credit card, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to apply for Target's credit card, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, then just type in apply Target credit card in your search browser. You'll see the first link pop up, which is Red Card Credit Application, which is the application to apply for credit red card on Target. So just tap on this application here. It'll open up a new form over here, as you can see, where you just need to scroll down and then you need to tell them about yourself, give them a contact info, middle name, phone number, whatever else you have. Click the continue button, sign into the Target account. Depending upon whether or not you're eligible, Target will send you basically a red card, which is also your credit card. So this way you can apply for credit card on Target. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.